Yeah. They're renewing a lot of the things that were old are getting old in here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right on, right on. That's what you. Right, right. It's all good. Right, right. Ain't nothing wrong with that, buddy. Especially you. Bill, man. Bill, good to meet you, man. Right on, right on.
I'll see you around. I'm doing my thing, cleaning up the ground.
Okay. All right, man. Have a good one, man. And be careful, too. All right. I know, right? Okay. Got the water heater there. Kitchen sink can be dropped in. Tools there. Time to pull this baby out. Got the water hose hooked to it. Just have to disconnect it all and get it ready for the new one that's being installed. Also, here's the furnace room here. You see the water heater back there. Okay. And getting ready to put this tub in as well. Install this tub. Actually, a sink can be installed as well. Okay. Getting ready for the tub. Alright, so I guess you'll see that in another video. Just wanted to get a glimpse before we get started. So, with that being said, say shalom.